been here since June of 2013, and I'm in cycle 19, so that's 19 months. And the atmosphere is, again, very professional. Some of the best hospital care I've ever I've gotten right here in this room. And for myself, my cancer is terminal. There is no cure for it. And if I go about 6 months without treatment, I will pass. This unit has put me on a test that has, over the last 19 cycles, brought my cancer counts, the proteins, down from over 700 to 30, and that is in remission. Your body would have about the same number of proteins in it that mine does, and that's what phase 1 does. They take the drugs that are made or developed here or elsewhere, and they bring them in. They bring existing patients like myself in who volunteer, and it's our way of giving back what we've been given. I have been through several different chemo drugs, and all of which, cancer will mutate, and it will mutate around a given chemo after a period of time. Basically, it varies depending on the chemo itself, and it's very difficult for me after a period of time to have a good chemo that isn't very reactionary to my system. So when Dr. Kaufman, my oncologist, said, hey, we're going to be doing a really nice test in phase 1, I said, well, it's my chance to give back. I have been able to use the chemos that other folks have helped develop the cycles for, and I really wanted to do that. And this isn't my first time. This is my second time to do it, but it gives me an opportunity to give back some of what others have done for me. And in so doing, I've also developed the ability with this drug to go into remission. And to me, phase 1 is life itself. The development work they do here means that I will live longer. This is a life and death issue in this unit. That's why it's so good for me to be here, because I'm not the only one who's in this condition. Many other folks are, and this unit will not only keep those of us like myself alive, but it will develop. They will develop and bring cures for other folks here, and I like to know that I played a part in helping other people, because God made all this possible for me. I could have been anywhere else and never gotten the treatment that I got here. The doctors, the healthcare givers here are exceptional. I've never seen any better anywhere in the world, and I've been in Europe. This is a very special place. It's like coming home. It's not like going to the doctor. Never was, never will be. Like my buddy Jen over here, she takes care of me every time I come. But every one of these nurses will kick right in and help if she's not here. How do you say thanks to several hundred people who love you and grab you and hug you, just like my own sister, or like Colleen, or Dr. Harvey, or Dr. Kaufman, or Dr. Loney? How do you say thanks to these people who saved your life? It really is. It's like being in a battle and someone throws themselves on the grenade. That's what these people do every day. And they do that to save other people's lives, mine included. So how do you say thanks?